So hi everyone, I'll go showcase you a demo for my tool which is known as Ad Creative Studio. So firstly, I would like to show that this is a homepage of this site. What is the purpose of is this studio? So we are creating this studio as part of telling story for any small and medium business which want to create ad for their business, and it is hassle free. Like they can simply enter the URL or they can tell the business name, and we will fetch all the details for their business and showcase here to the end user. So the good point is like we have support for all major locally here, so that users can depending on their location they can choose the specific locally and create that for their business. Now the business or website supports all major URLs and businesses located across globe. So here I am taking a small business of a dealership which is based out in US. So this is like there are two ways to create it. One way is like we can enter the URL, or the other way is we can enter their Google Map. Either way, it will create a proper listing. So let's go with URL way. So right now it is fetching all the details for that URL, the logos and everything, and it will pre-populate all that information. Yeah, so as you can see, we have fetched all these different data from their website, uh, which includes like we can if we want to see like what all information is there, so we can click on bottom banner here. We see that we have already found a logo from their site. If we want to generate logo, if the logo is not found, we have a support for AI logo generation, where we can create a high quality logo by describing which type of logo we want to create for that business. For now, since we have a logo already, we will go ahead and show you the major features which are supported. So right now this is the ad which is created by
Welcome to
default.
Attention Required. Cloudflare. Check out our amazing service.
So first thing, like it will automatically create AI based ad using the description which is present in their website. Lots of websites these days are using Cloudflare for the security. So the Cloudflare text is also added as part of scraping the website. So we can simply remove this. I have also added a very good support of language for voice enabled for this text to speech. So you have all major locales which are present across globe. I haven't tried to include most languages across the globe. So here I will take example of English only, and for each language we have lots of different personas which are available depending on user need. So suppose here I have like the English translation. So I can simply update the audio because I have this audio earlier has Cloudflare related information, right, which is not correct. So now let's see.
Dr. Honda in Tallahassee, Florida caters to your auto sales, finance, and service needs, so don't hesitate to visit our new and used dealership near Monticello today.
So this is the ad which is generated by it. And now if you see here, we have multiple options which we have not enabled by default. So if we go to bottom banner, we have option to showcase end screen here as well. So end screen will come now. See, this is the end screen. Now we can customize the text of end screen like whatever we want to show. So depending on the business, like I can see that the theme is blue, so I can use this one. And we have a very nice option where if you have saving any changes here, we can simply save and keep on continuing our work. So if you click on save and continue, it will redirect you. You have to either sign in or sign up using lot of different providers which we have supported. Here I will be simply going ahead with my Google account, so that I can simply use this account to save this specific video. So now I am logged in. I can simply click on save and continue, and it will save it to my dashboard. So after saving, we can go to our dashboard screen, and since I have not renamed this project, so see, this is a project which is created with the logo from which you can identify. So I will simply rename it to Proctor Honda, right? And the description should go ahead here like this is ad generation for Procter and Honda. So I have created some of few ads earlier as well, just for testing purpose, but this is how your dashboard looks like. Here also you have support for all the different languages like as French, or Chinese, simplified Dutch. So all different languages we are trying to add support. Now once it is saved, right, you can simply go back and work on this specific video. So
Welcome to
if you
attention
remember, we
required.
have made some
Cloud
changes, like we have changed it to French locally, right? So you can see that now this is coming in French. We can again go back to um, yeah, we can again go back to screen and we can change it back to English, so that we are able to use it in English. Yeah, now it is in English. So the second thing is, like, we have multiple transition support, default aspect ratio for all the different types of devices for which you want to create this ad. So the default is like wide screen, which you will see that
Welcome.
this is a very wide screen video. Now if I want to support, say, mobile devices, right, which are usually social media, so it has a proper text support for that. If you see here,
To attention required. Cloudflare. Check out our amazing services. Procter Honda in Tallahassee, Florida.
so it is supported on this ad can be supported on mobile. The only thing is you have to make sure that images are aligned properly, so that the display, if you're using mobile display, you should select the images which fits that display in better way. You can remove all those images which are not needed for the mobile or not suitable for that. Like this image, I can see this is working fine. Similarly, if I move to this one, so we can check, we can move to slides, specific slides, and we can see we can change images by going to change. So here we have added a lot of intuitive options to change these images. Like you can either upload your own images by clicking on upload your own. You can select your existing image, but in case you want to use AI to generate your images, you can also describe your image and use our models to generate image, like the type of image you want to use here. Or you can search, we have integration for all the open source image providers for both images and videos. So suppose here I want to get a Honda car for this dealership. I can simply type Honda. You can see that I got this beautiful image, right? If I click on this, so now if I try to play it again, you can see that this beautiful
Welcome to attention required.
car is now displayed here, right? Now if I want to show it in default wide screen, we can see how it looks like.
Welcome to attention.
Now again, we will go to bottom banner. So here we can see that we can customize it is already picked the URL from your website. But if you want to update it further, you can click on this address and you can save and continue. So you can again click on moving that. Suppose I want to display QR code at the corner, I can simply use QR code. So it will point the QR code to say this URL. So if you scan it, it will use that one. Now we have added support for most different audios which are available.
Welcome to attention
So
required.
this is a default audio. Now if I want to say use some other background.
Cloudflare.
This
Check
is
out our
this is the
amazing
background.
services. Procter
This
Honda
this
in
is third type of
Tallahassee, Florida
background.
caters to your auto sales, finance, and service needs, so don't hesitate to visit our new and used dealership near Monticello today.
So based on mood, you can use like happy advertisement, like something which is peppy.
To attention
Similarly,
required.
product launch will fit more on
Cloudflare.
any products you are launching.
Check out our amazing services.
So whatever sound you want to you like, right? You can simply use that, and you can update audio here. Now suppose you want to use some other audio, like your business is located in, say, Spain. So I have used one of the Spanish, but we have support for a lot of Spanish, TTS. So you can use any of this persona based on how you want it to sound like. And we have also given you auto translate to Spanish, so that it is easy for you to immediately translate this description, or you want to use the Spanish, right? You can directly translate it from here. Now it has, or can click on update audio. Now it will use the Spanish audio in this video.
Ir a nuestros increíbles servicios.
It's
Procter
as
Honda
simple
en
as that.
Tallahassee, Florida,
It is the most
satisface sus
user-friendly,
necesidades de ventas,
tool which you
finanzas
will
y
find in the
servicios de
market.
automóviles.
Now
Así
suppose
que
you
no
like this
duden en
video,
visitarnos.
it fits your need, right? You want to change the transition, like we have supports for lot of different, like suppose you want to make it a flip,
Nuestro
right?
concesionario de vehículos
how
nuevos y
beautiful it
increíbles
looks like.
servicios.
You can add flip,
Procter
or
Honda
you
en
can add
Tallahassee,
vibe,
Florida, satisface sus
like
necesidades
this,
de
right?
ventas.
Now you like this video, you want to export this video. So what you can do is, one thing I forgot to tell you. Suppose you want to add some video also, right? So we have video section also here. So if I search here for video, right? So I have this beautiful car video which I want to include here. So now if I play it, right, you can see that.
Finanzas y Florida.
So
Satisface
this is
sus
not a
necesidades de
static
ventas,
file.
finanzas
Now
y
suppose
servicios de
this
automóviles.
is generated. Now
Así
you
que
like
no
this
duden
ad,
visitar
right?
nuestro
With the voiceover and everything, right? You're liking it. It is as per your need. You want to add more slides, you can click on plus and you can add more slides based on either AI, or you can generate it via the existing images, which has like millions of images. So yeah, you can just give on the keyword and it will give you the image. Like I can give like cars, right? Honda. It will give you the images for all these Honda cars, right? And you can use one of them. And similarly, you can if you want to upload your own one, you can upload your own images. That is another option. But yeah, similarly, here if you want, you can change the music, you can change the voice, you can change the slides, you can select the transition. So yeah, these are the main features. Now you want to export this video, right? You can simply click on export and it will create export for your video. It will take some time because export is a very intensive process. We are doing a lot of processing. You have included embedded videos and all, so it may take some time, but be assured it will create the desired export in your selected whatever layout you have selected, right? It will showcase the video in that layout, so that will not be a problem. Be assured on that. So now right now it is getting exported. We'll wait for it for a few seconds to export. Once it is exported, we can play it in our famous any of the browser video, or we can upload it to YouTube, or we can promote it to any
Mira
advertiser.
nuestros increíbles servicios. Practer Honda en Tallahassee, Florida. Así que no
So see, the video is generated, right? You can simply download this video. If you see here, so this is the video which is generated. I will play it, so you can see how is the quality of video and how it will look like in the device.
mira nuestros increíbles servicios. Practer Honda en
And if you scan
Tallahassee,
this
Florida.
QR code, you
Satisface
will be
sus
able to
necesidades de ventas,
easily
finanzas y
go to that
servicios de
specific
automóviles.
website.
Así que no duden en visitar nuestro concesionario de vehículos nuevos y usados cerca de Monticello hoy.
So this video is generated. You can simply drag and drop it, and suppose you would want to use some other aspect ratio, you can simply go to social story you want to create for Instagram. You can export it in Instagram. So like that you can do. It will again generate the Instagram copy video. So I have added all these features as part of phase 1. Now what else I am planning to add? So we have a very like lot of AI providers like VO3, and we have other providers like this is for Gemini VO3. So what it does is like it will auto create a script. So you can just give a script to it and it will auto write video for you from scratch. So for that, this will be generated. So don't worry. Now you can go to
Mira
dashboard.
nuestros
So it
increíbles
is generated now.
servicios. Finanzas usados
You
cerca
can
de
download this one as
Monticello
well.
hoy.
This is like a mobile version. So now what I was showing is that yeah, we can go to dashboard, we can save and exit. Now suppose you want to create a fresh video, right? From scratch. So there is a option to create a new project, right? You can just click on create a new project. Now this is like a default project. Everything is empty. Nothing is added by default here. Now what I am planning to do is I will give you in future I will give you option to just write your paste your template and it will generate the video using VO3 integration from Gemini, as well as I think OpenAI has a very good video generator, right, which is called as Sora. So I am trying to add integration for these, and I have right now I have hosted this in Vercel, which is as ad repo. I have disabled video export here because video export is very extensive and CPU intensive process. So that I will enable as part of cloud deployment. For now I have disabled it so that we can just check the main demo here. Everything else will work out except export, since export is very CPU intensive, and this is like just a front end part where I have used just a business logic here. So that's the main demo for the product. Hope you like it, and you also like the future roadmap. So in roadmap you have sign in, and one more thing, like if I go to dashboard, right? Okay, I will cancel it since I have created a new project. So it is asking me to name it also. I can say it, yeah, test project, test new something, and save it. Okay, so it is saved now. It is saved here. Now the thing I was talking about is we can create multiple organizations here based on our single sign-on, right? We can create multiple organizations. We can upload the logo of our organization. So we have support for multi-tenant as well as multi-users. So you can go to members section. You can invite all the different members who you want to invite for this. So you have option to invite. You can give their email ID. You can give them role like member or admin. You can send the invitation and they can join and create the videos here. We also have settings here where you can manage all those members. And yeah, we have like all the basic features for multi-tenancy which is available there. So these are the major features which we have added in phase 1 of it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening so far, and you can mail me if you have any questions. Bye.